Keppra is now the second-line drug of choice after Ativan or Versed for unresponsive status epilepticus pediatric patients. You will start to see the order on Epic. The dose is 40 milligrams per kilogram given IV push over 5 minutes. Your max dose at Covenant Healthcare is 2,500 milligrams. This is what it will look like in your MAR.
You're going to be required to dilute your medication prior to giving it in a 1-to-1 ml ratio. We're going to use an example. Your patient weighs 140 pounds. 63 kilograms times 40 milligrams equals 2,545 milligrams. Epic does this math for you. Since your max dose at Covenant is 2,500 milligrams, that's what we will use for this patient. Keppra is available in 500 milligrams per 5 mLs or 100 milligrams per 1 ml. We will need 5 vials for this dose, 25 mLs, 2,500 milligrams. Since you are mixing a 1-to-1 ml ratio, you're going to draw your meds up in a 60 cc syringe. Now you're going to pull 25 mLs into the syringe from a 100 ml normal saline bag. This is given over 5 minutes. Now we're going to show you a patient on a much smaller scale. Your patient weighs 15 pounds, which is 6.81 kilograms, times 40 milligrams equals 273 milligrams of Keppra. Remember, Epic will tell you your dose and that you need 2.73 mLs of Keppra, drawn from a 500 milligram per 5 ml Keppra vial. When you have a dose this small, we will draw our normal saline from a normal saline flush. Draw up your Keppra with a 10 cc syringe. Now draw 2.73 mLs normal saline from the flush into the med syringe. This is still given over 5 minutes.
When choosing your syringe size, look at the dose of Keppra in mLs and double it. Choose an appropriate syringe closest to that amount. For example, if your Keppra dosage is 6 mLs, you would have to choose a 20 ml syringe because your dose would be 12 mLs total. If your dose is more than 10 mLs, you need to use a normal saline bag, 100 ml bag. If it's less than 10 mLs, mix with the normal saline flush.
Five minutes later, thanks for saving me.